So, Ludi, what do you want to do with your hair today?
I want to have a full hair, like just like yours.
Yeah, okay.
Not necessarily that much for length, but just honest and super natural.
Super thick, really voluptuous.
Yes.
Okay,
Kind
cool.
of beachy.
Beachy.
Oh, baby.
All right, we can definitely do that. So we'll just add a few individuals in here. We'll probably do like 3 or 4 bundles. And this is your first time getting extensions, right?
Yes,
yeah. Okay, cool. So it'll be your first time. It'll take like some getting used to. Like you'll definitely like feel them in your hair, but they're actually like the lightest extension. Like you're gonna feel it the first day, but then you'll never feel them again. Okay. Like you'll be so used to it, it's like a part of your head. Yeah. So we'll just do a few bundles so we can get color matched.
Perfect.
Yeah, like kind of closest to you. This is as far as I'm gonna come up on you. So like up here, your hair's gonna part.
And then what about like towards like the side?
Oh yeah, no, you can't see like anything.
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
It like blends. You could wear your hair in a ponytail.
Because you're just gonna put under here, not like necessary.
Okay. Yeah. I'll put like through the back in here and then like a few in here. Cause like they're not even, I have like the same amount. Like this is just right here where it's at. But this will be,
That one, yeah.
I think this is the color for you. Cause this one is too light. And it's too green.
I think it's too like orangey.
That too.
Yeah. I don't know if maybe you have one of those to mix match the other ones.
Because if you look in the mirror, this actually like kind of matches like the ends of your hair.
Oh, yeah, it does.
See? So like we can mix like, sometimes what I do is I cut these up and then I use this as well so it breaks up some of the blonde. But if you want your hair to be brighter and even blonder, we can just stick with this.
Whatever you think will look better. I definitely like it.
Like you have a little bit more depth. Is this the 18?
The length too.
Yeah. I'm like, well,
maybe we're just gonna
18. This is long. Yeah, I mean, actually, that would be pretty long on you.
It would be really pretty, but then I'll have to put so much.
Oh my God, you would hate life in Coachella because it actually like retains a lot of heat. So if you did a full head, like being in Coachella, you're gonna be so hot.
Then I need to bring you with me to Coachella. I'm like, hey, can you do my hair?
Yeah, I'm just like there with a fan, like fanning your hair.
Yeah,
it retains heat.
Yeah.
I don't have that color in 14.
This one's perfect though.
Anything else?
I think that's it. Okay. Thank you.
I'll check it out.
Yes. So thank you to the hair shop. Ludi and I are going to go finish this off as a house call. And thank you for the hair shop for all this lovely hair.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah, stay tuned for the transformation.